Guys, in my past video I ran over Stretch Armstrong and Vac-Man by this huge road roller. Today I decided to do something similar, but with bigger objects, with air inside. Let's do that. Let's start with something small, like a tennis ball. It has no chance, I'm sure. What? What the f... How's it even possible? It's intact! Well, let's check this golf ball. I see how it will turn into powder now. What the heck is going on today? The second ball, that 12-ton road roller, can do nothing to. Well, we can pretend that the ball just hit in the asphalt from the road roller like an ostrich. Let's move on to the big balls, the basketball. What do you think will happen? Write in the comments. Oh, that was a boom. But to be honest, this time I thought that the ball would just slip out because of its size. But no luck for it. So, now the soccer ball. I don't know if it's stronger or more solid than basketball, but what are your bets? Who will win this time? And let's do that. It was so loud that I almost dropped the camera. Okay, everything is clear with this football and that basketball. Then let's continue with the tennis ball and that still intact. So let's check the strength of the golf ball. Yes, it is impossible to win this road roller. Guys, I will show in my next videos the most crazy unusual ideas for my next experiment, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.